Hello, I'm Keith Kendrick, magazine's editor of BBC Good Food. I'm here with Keshia Sakarah, chef owner of Caribe in Brixton, which celebrates authentic Caribbean cooking. Keshia's here with me today to talk about three things we all need to know about Caribbean cooking. Hi, Keshia, how are you doing? What are the three things that we need to know about Caribbean cooking?
Hi, Keith. Thank you for having me. Three things to know about Caribbean cooking. I'll start with green seasoning. That's something I like to use a lot, and it is used a lot in Caribbean cooking, and it does vary island to island as well. And green seasoning is basically a mix of fresh green herbs. So that could be parsley, celery, thyme, scotch bonnets, Thai parsley or shadon and they just form the basis of a lot of dishes, blended together or chopped really finely. So you could get that in stewed chicken, curry goat, and different islands, like I say, use it in different ways. But it gives a really nice earthy and kind of foundation to the
Sounds
dish.
fantastic. So what's number two?
Number two would be a piece of equipment, actually. I love to use my Dutch pot. I bought one back from Jamaica a few years ago. And I like it because it just reminds me of the origins of Caribbean cooking, the heavy, really sturdy pots that hold heat really well. And hundreds of years ago, they would have been used on coals outside to slow cook meats, stews, soups for long periods of time, and they still do that today. So wherever I can, I use them in the kitchen all the
Sounds like
time.
an essential piece of kit, crucial to Caribbean cooking. And so, your third piece of knowledge, piece of wisdom, what would that be?
Um, I would say just what Caribbean food represents. And to me, that is celebration, community, collectiveness. Just to bear in mind that, it has such humble beginnings. Like I said before, it's hundreds of years old, and a lot of the dishes that we cook, as much as they have had unfortunate origins, they are still eaten by our culture in such a celebratory way today. So, jerk, for example, that came about through those who escaped plantations and started roasting meat on pimento wood, and now that's the staple food of Jamaica and Caribbean food all over the world. So just to note, sorry, that Caribbean food is just really celebratory, it's humble, and it's eaten with pride today.
That's fantastic. Great insight into Caribbean cooking there from Keshia. Keshia comes from Montserrat, which is an island in the Caribbean, and um, on our Good Foods World in Your Kitchen video series, she cooks the national dish, which is goat water, which is a rich, robust meat dish. It's absolutely fantastic. You can follow her on Instagram at Caribe_UK and at Sakarah_. So thanks for joining us, Keshia. It's been great having you. Learned so much. So thank you and bye for now.
Thank you for having me, and take care.